Surrounded by vegetation, in the mountains of the Sierra de Arteaga, southwest of the Mexican state of Coahuila de Zaragoza, is a single-family home designed by the SAR Architecture Studio. The house is laid out on the slope of an old orchard in mountainous surroundings, with the intention of having minimal impact on the site and natural vegetation. This solution also ensured the best views, as the orchard vegetation is much more open and lower than the surrounding forest. The house is conceived as a refuge and an observatory, an instrument to observe the landscape, the mountains and the forest, and feel the time passing by. The spaces of the house are connected through a terrace that runs the entire length of the house, with a series of frames formed by beams and pillars that, in addition to working structurally, frame views of the natural landscape. SAR architects organize the spaces on a rectangular floor plan 40 meters long by 10 meters wide, with the services and more private spaces at the ends and the common areas in the central area around the fireplace. Construction materials include exposed concrete for walls, pillars, and beams, along with metalwork details and expansive glass panels framed in aluminum. Outside, as independent elements of the house, there is a viewpoint and fire pit that is independent of the house, and an outdoor table seating up to 20, both constructed as concrete monoliths. The volume is perforated with courtyards that break up the program and bring natural light inside. The largest of the courtyards contains a staircase that leads to the roof, where there are 360-degree views of the valley and mountains. Functioning as a sanctuary, the house serves as a retreat for its users to disconnect from city life and engage with nature, fostering a profound awareness of their surroundings. While a family property, the house offers individual moments of reflection and self-discovery for each member, aligning with their ages, roles, and family responsibilities. Serving as both a refuge and an observatory, the house becomes an instrument for observing the landscape, mountains, and forest while experiencing the passage of time in a secure and pleasant environment.